What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video, man. Y'all know who coming. I had to, man. I kept telling you on the last vlog. I said, look, man, I couldn't make my second motor hit. I wanted to make 2 motor hits because this joker was flying. Now it did great on nitro. It did great on nitro, man. So the rain came through. It did come through. But it's dry. It's dry, man. So we finna take Big Dolo out. Cause that new tune. Oh, excuse me. Got a hiccup. That new tune hidden, boy. That new tune hidden, man. Jesse did it. So we finna see. If I can run me a all-time personal best, because them numbers they took put up at that track the other night, man, with that bad 60 foot, I got to see, man. So I'm finna go ahead and get the car together, get it set up, make it do what it do. We're gonna tune in to y'all from the GoPro. So let's make it happen. Alright, y'all, check it in. We headed to Mexico. Thing doing pretty hot today, 80 something degrees, so I don't know how it's gonna run in the heat, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Got this thing making more power, man. This joker here got on the tire bad. Oh, ooh, man, this joker flying, boy. I spun that mud. Jesse, boy, you the truth, boy. Woo! Hey, I gotta make another one, man. I got to. check that one out when I get to the house, man. Gonna take this drive back. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Y'all see him back. That's a bad joker right there. That's a bad joker, man. Let me. Ooh, boy. Let me see, man. I don't know what. I know partially what Jesse did. But I don't know what everything Jesse did. But whatever he did, that car picked up some power, man. I ain't even playing. The car picked up some power, and it's super noticeable. It's super noticeable, man. Like, if I would have been able to make that pass, that first pass, man, last night, that joker put down a number on that first pad, man. It put down a number and it was spinning the tires. It was spinning the tires. It was sideways and it shook. I stayed in it, shook and went. Still put it down, man. Jesse got that joker right, man. The car been needing tuning, retuning, I should say. Cause we really the first last year, the car really was tuned primarily centered around nitro. It was super safe. Super safe, man. But now I like, man, hey man, it's time to step it up a notch, man. We ain't ready to go full tilt boogie yet. Ain't no need. But we were gonna step it up a notch, man. And he stepped it up, boy. He did it tweaking, did it thing, man. A lot of street cars and fabrication, man. Shout out to Jesse, man. That boy they're bad, man. He a bad man for real. That joker knocked some numbers off on the rim, and I'm like, I wasn't gonna put this car on radios no more. I really had no intentions on putting the car on radios no more like that since Meats around now. Y'all know from the jump that was my original plan. DOLO is the rim car. Meats is the radio slick car, man. Just to have a variety in my fleet or whatever. But I got to put it on. I got to put on radios one last time, man. We got to save the last damn, man. We got to put on radio one last time, especially when we put anti-roll bar on there in the converter. And whoo, gonna see what it do, man. I ain't ready to close the vlog out just yet, cause I might go take it out when it cool down a little more. I might take it out again, man. And the sun about to go down, and get an outside clip, man. Cause they really what I wanted. The way that joker moving, man. I want to get an outside clip, and then I had to rush too. I had to rush cause, like I said, we get a car pop up here and there, man. So I had to rush, and when I rush, I don't make the best hits, man. So we ain't gonna close the vlog out yet, man. Cause if everything go as planned, we're gonna get an outside hit, man, and then it's gonna be done cooled off some too. Cause it's in 80-something degree weather, so they're gonna run better when it cool, man. Try to make one when the evening time, right? That I call it the golden hour, man. I call photographers and stuff. You know, if you're a photographer, you know what I'm saying, or videographer. But right before the sun finna go down, man. So we're gonna see what it do, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. So I just ran my fastest pass ever in Mexico. Just ran, man, and didn't get the footage, man. That junk. Man, wifey phone ended up getting full, man. Boy, I'm sick, man. I'm telling you, I'm sick, boy. Wife ended up getting, her phone ended up getting full on the pass, man. So it missed. That junk got me sick, man. Everything went. I got on the Dragon, but I want to see on the outside, man. I finally knocked the 60 foot down to where I was trying to get it. The car laid a mean one down. I'm talking about for real. Went the fastest it ever went. And I had a feeling it was gonna do it after the pass earlier today. When it done cooled off now. It cooled off. It kind of dry. It ain't humidity and moisture in the air. And I had a feeling. I said that's why I said we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out in the evening. I'm gonna get the outside. Cause I had a feeling it was gonna lay it down, man. And it did. It went the fastest it ever went, man, by 3/10. It beat my previous record I set for myself. Well, it beat my previous fastest run by 3/10. And it still had a little wheel spin, man. I said, God, boy, I hate that. I like to have the outside footage of that one, man. But that water on the bridge, man. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Except try to get better and do it again, or even make it go faster and try to catch it, man. But that like I said, 3 hits. That junk got me sick, boy. I want to see that, boy. Man, when you run a personal bed, man, you be wanting. Well, me, I'm a camera guy, man, so I be wanting to document and stuff. But I got on the dragon, man. But on my runs, my personal bed, when I be going to fast, I really want them on the outside when able. Now I got some I be done made. Ain't nobody around, ain't nothing you can do about that. But I was like, man, I sure like to see that one, man. But like I said, water on the bridge. But so the car a lot faster. It definitely a lot faster. Cause Jesse did his thing, man. He did his thing with that joker. That joker definitely faster, man. So I don't know. Sometime here soon, man. I try to get it back to the track, and I'm probably be focused on motor, and get pouring the nitrous in quicker from the word go, man. Pouring it on in there quick. So that's gonna be my next. That's gonna be my next goal or whatever. So that's what it is, man. But next track trip, Meek's going next track trip. Cause we gotta run it on the nitro. I don't even know how that car gonna react on the nitro, so I gotta take it. And then while Meek's going to the track, I'm gonna try to go and get Dolo in to Jesse to get the anti-roll bar installed and the double adjustable upper and lower rear control on, because it needed bad, man. It's a lot of shifting, the rear end shifting, jumping around and stuff. So I need to go ahead and get that done, man. But that's what it is, man. That's what it is for today. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna shake this joker down, but well, we got rain for the next 2-3 days, so I don't know what, man. I'm gonna have something coming for y'all, but I ain't gonna be able to be turning wrenches and nothing, man, and all that. Meat's already under the knife and all that stuff. But when the rain, when the rain subside, man, it'll be back at it. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.